welcome to my channel. Today we draw an cute apple, so let's call her magical marker. Let's start coloring.
The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck
Red color.
5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh, little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Brown color.
Wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus.
Parrot color.
Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Green color.
The wheels on the bus.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow in next video.
Yeah!
If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel.